Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to set enrollment methods for a particular course in Moodle LMS. So let's get started. So first, I have logged in as an admin. I will just enable the edit mode over here so that I can do all like add a new course and all that stuff. So you have to enable the edit mode for your admin account. Then I'll just create one course, name it as HTML. You can name it whatever you feel like. I'll just create one short name as well, and I can just change this date to 8th April. You can change it to whatever you feel like, and I'll just click on save and display. Okay, I'll just click on the skip door, and here I'll just add one activity. I'll just add one quiz, just so that you guys can believe me. Okay, where is quiz? Okay, here it is. Again, I'll just name it as HTML quiz. I'll just scroll down. I'll click on save and display again. I'll add a question, click on add plus a new question, true and false. I'll click on add. I'll just name it as is HTML necessary for web dev. Okay, and I'll just copy this. I'll paste it over here. I'll scroll down. I'll click on save changes. Now what you need to do is go back to your HTML course, go to participants, and here you have this enrolled users, right? Just click on this drop down, go to enrollment methods. Here you can see by default only manual enrollments are allowed. So manual enrollments as in the admin will enroll a user to this particular course, but I want to enable self enrollment as well. So I can just enable this. If you want, you can hide the manual enrollment if you feel like. So just click on this eye icon and it will automatically allow self enrollment as well. So if I click on this again, it will hide a self enrollment. So yeah, now you just have to add one user. So I'll just go to site administration, users, add a new user. I'll just name it as nobody. Copy this. I'll just add some password. I'll give it some first name, last name, email address as well. Again, I'll just scroll down. I'll click on create user. Okay, then I can just go to a private tab. I can log in as that particular user. So here I can just use nobody, and here I can just sorry, I think I'll have to enter my password. Hopefully the password works. Click on login. So yeah, I'll click on got it. I'll click on home. Here you can see this is the course. I'll click on HTML and I can automatically enroll myself. So I can just click on enroll me, and here you can see I'm enrolled in the course. I can click on the HTML quiz. So yeah, that's how you can set different enrollment methods, like self enrollment, manual enrollment for a particular course in Moodle LMS. Thank you for watching. Bye.